Hello everyone, my name is Tracy Telgen and I'm going to be painting a bee sketch that I made. I have a video of that sketching and inking process. I'll link it in the description below and in a card on the top of the screen. I used two colors of paint for this painting, burnt sienna and lemon yellow. So I mixed a bit of the burnt sienna into the lemon yellow to get a darker yellow, and then I used watered down burnt sienna for the wings. So here I had gotten a little bit of the burnt sienna outside of the wings, so I'm just taking some clear water and going over it and then dabbing it with a paper towel. And then while the wings were still wet, I was taking a more concentrated burnt sienna and going over the top edge of the wings. Then I took some undiluted straight lemon yellow to lighten up the yellows of the bee. Painting this sketch of the bee was very quick and relatively easy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, or subscribe. Engagement with this video helps support my channel. Thank you, and bye for now.